Hey everyone. Hope you're all doing well. I'm Henry, and in this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about Electroslim before making a purchase. I have some important warnings to discuss, so it's crucial to watch until the end to avoid any potential loss. First and foremost, be cautious about where you buy this product. Electroslim is only available on the official website. To assist you, I've included the link to the official site in the video description in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen to share my review and my experience with Electroslim, helping you determine if it's the right choice for you. What is Electroslim? Electroslim is a weight loss device that employs electrical stimulation technology to activate your muscles, boost metabolism, and aid in fat burning. It's perfect for anyone looking to shed pounds without engaging in intense workouts or strict diets. Key benefits of Electroslim: reduces body fat, stimulates muscles and enhances tone, accelerates metabolism, convenient for home use, visible results in just a few weeks. Does Electroslim really work? Many users have reported significant weight loss and improved muscle definition after trying Electroslim. In this review, I'll share my personal results and experiences with the product. Want to learn more about how Electroslim can help you achieve your weight loss goals? Watch the full video to find out.